Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about Charles Lamb, his biography, and his important works. So, the birth of Charles Lamb on 10th February 1775 in a temple, London, England. He was born in England. Demise, it means he died in on 27 December 1834, where? At Merton, London, England. Cause of his death was Ruseiflus, एक बीमारी का नाम है. His mother name was Elizabeth Field. Father name was John Lamb, who was lawyer's clerk. His sister name was Mary Lamb, and Mary Lamb played a very important role in Charles Lamb's life because both of them composed a lot of work together, and it was assumed that Mary Lamb was mad and she killed her mother, and Charles Lamb didn't marry because he had to take care of his sister. He was also called the Prince of Essayists, one of the greatest essayists of 19th century, as he composed so many essays. He got his education 1782 from Christ Hospital, which was a boarding school. S.T. Coleridge was Lamb's school fellow at Christ Hospital. S.T. Coleridge was his friend and fellow at Christ Hospital, and Charles Lamb belonged to Romantic age. From 1792 to 1825, he started his career as a clerk in East India Company's office at the age of 17. He never married in his life. Lamb's mother was killed by Lamb's mad sister Mary, friend of Wordsworth, Southey and other illustrious contemporaries. मतलब Charles Lamb's friends was Wordsworth, Southey, S.T. Coleridge, many important contemporaries, many important authors. His best work was Essays of Ella. इस वर्क के कारण वह बहुत फेमस हुआ था और उसने अपना पेन नेम रखा था इला. ठीक है, उसके बारे में हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. Charles wrote his essays under the pen name Ella. Ella was Lamb's colleague working with him in the East India House, Italian man. That's clear. Charles' pen name was Elia. Who was Elia? Elia was Lamb's colleague who was working with him in the East India Company. Anne Simmons Lamb loved this lady, however he couldn't marry. S.T. Coleridge was lifelong friend and supporter of Lamb. So let's talk about his important works. Lamb essay first published serially in the London magazine. So there were so many questions asked in different examinations that where Charles Lamb's essays were published. So his essays published or his works published in the London magazine. In 1823, he published Essays of Elia, which was a collection of essays, and Essay of Elia is the first volume, first began appearing in the London magazine in 1820 and continued to 1825 तक यह इस मैगजीन में पब्लिश होता था, largely autobiographical. Then the second, the collection essays in Essays of Elia 1823. ये एक और मतलब इसी का ही है कि एसे ऑफ इलिया में कौन कौन से एसेज इसके अंदर थे. द साउथ सी हाउस इज द एसे, इट इज़ द लिस्ट ऑफ एसेज विच कंसिस्ट इन दिस एसेज ऑफ इलिया. फर्स्ट एसे है द साउथ सी हाउस. इन दिस एसे चार्लीज यूज्ड फर्स्ट टाइम pseudonym इलिया. सो there is question made from this point that where Charles Lamb used first time Elia's pen name. कहाँ पर किया था? in which essay? The South Sea House. Second essay Oxford in the vacation. जब वह ऑक्सफोर्ड उसने यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ाई करी थी तो जब छुट्टियाँ हुई थी उससे रिलेटेड है. क्रिस्ट हॉस्पिटल 5 and 30 years ago. Two Races of Man, New Year's Eve, Mrs. Battle's Opinion on Wrist, and My Relation. So this is the essays which consist in the essays of Elia. The next work was Dream Children, which tells which इसकी कुछ important क्या क्या इसके अंतर्गत है ड्रीम चिल्ड्रन के अंदर. द प्रेज ऑफ चिमनी स्वीपर्स, ओल्ड चाइना, द वेडिंग, माई फर्स्ट प्ले, द ओल्ड बेंचर्स ऑफ द इनर टेम्पल, इम्परफेक्ट सिंपथीज, ग्रेस बिफोर मीट. तो ये इसके इम्पोर्टेंट जो है वो सब टाइटल्स हैं इस वर्क के. देन इन 1807 टेल्स फ्रॉम शेक्सपियर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ चार्ल्स लैम्ब एंड मैरी लैम्ब. एन इंग्लिश चिल्ड्रन बुक है इन कोलैबोरेशन विद मैरी लैम्ब. Comedies was written by Mary and tragedies by Charles. Black Verse, which was published in 1798. In 1798, he also wrote a tale of Rosamund Grey or Old Blind Margaret. This work was dedicated to his love Annie Simons. In 1802, John Woodwell, poetic drama है. There is a character novel in it which depicts Charles' father. In 1808, The Adventure of Ulysses, prose work. In 1811, On the Tragedies of Shakespeare. 1821, Witches and Other Nights' Fear. 1825, The Pope Broken's Daughter. In 1867, Iliana. In 1833, The Last Essays of Elia. So, the first essay of Elia, Essays of Elia, was published in 1823, and its last edition, the last essay of Elia, was published in 1833. Bachelor's Complaint Against Married Men, it is the most autobiographical essay. Modern Glenentry. Prince Doris, A Fairy Tale in Verse. The Londoner, Black Verse in collaboration with Charles Lloyd. In 1833, Album Verses. In 1831, Saturn in Search of a Wife, which was a ballad. The Old Familiar Faces, very famous poem. The essay of Elia would be criticized in the Quarterly Review by Robert Southey. In 1833, from 1833 till their death, Charles and Mary lived at Bay Cottage, Church Street, north of London. And Mary Lamb also had some of her own poems like Mrs. Leicester's School in 1809. Coleridge called Lamb as gentle herd Charles. W.H. Hudson called Lamb one of the best beloved of English authors. Robert Southey tells about Lamb's that Lamb's memory will retain its fragrance as long as the best spice pendant in the panache. Canon Anger said, "It is the main Charles Lamb that constitutes the charm of his written verse." It is said that Lamb smiled with one eye or wept with one other. It means that there was a blending of humor and pathos in his essay. ठीक है, तो इसके एसेज की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है कि उसमें ब्लेंडिंग होती है ह्यूमर्स की और पैथोस की. Lamb once said, "I am myself the subject of my essay." It means that his essay are largely autobiographical. William Wordsworth composed an epitaph poem for Charles Lamb named Winter after the death of Charles Lamb. It means William Wordsworth ने एक epitaph लिखा था Charles Lamb की poem written from the death of Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb, a memoir written by Barry Cornwell. His biographer, Barry Cornwell, was Charles Lamb's biographer and he written a work, Charles Lamb, a memoir. E.V. Lewis said in Life of Charles Lamb, E.V. Lewis ने चार्ल्स लैम्ब की लाइफ के बारे में क्या बोला था? द मोस्ट लवेबल फिगर इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. एंड द ओल्ड फैमिली फेसेस, हिज इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क in which Lamb talks about his old friends, his family members and his only love of life. So this is all about the Charles work biography and the important works of the Charles Lamb. Thank you.